Hi, this is the tutorial number 2. In this tutorial, I'm gonna explain signal path of the synthesizer and making some simple patches. So let's get started. First of all, this is the signal path of the synthesizer. So the signal starts from oscillators. There are 2 oscillators in this synthesizer, and the signal goes to envelope generators, and then mixers, then VCF, it's filter, low pass, high pass, or notch filter. And then at the end, there is effector. Then the signal goes out. So let's make a simple patch. And for the first patch, I just gonna make a layered square-shaped wave. So goes to the oscillator 1, and the select the shape to square, then put some path width, and then goes to oscillator 2, and then set the same square wave, then set some path width, and then I want to make oscillator 2 as a 2-octave lower. I still hear the sound only from oscillator 1, so I need to go mixer menu and then change the mix parameter. Nice already. Next, I want to change envelope generator. So I want to put a nice long release, and then better softer attack. Then next I want to change some filter setting. This time I'm gonna choose notch filter. Nice. So let's put some modulation. I'm touching a modulation wheel of the MIDI keyboard. That sounds a bit too much for me, so I just need to go LFO menu and then lower the LFO's frequency. So let's initialize the patch. For the next patch, I'm gonna make dual tone patch. So this synthesizer has 2 oscillators, and this can be configured as 2 voices. So first, I'm gonna go oscillator 1, and this time I wanna make a kind of a synth key sound. So I set to FM, and then goes to FM menu, and then configure some FM parameters. I'm not gonna go the detail of the FM synth engine this time. Nice. Then change some envelope. Bit of a soft release, and set the sustain to 0, and then put the very long decay. Bit more release, maybe. Nice. Then in order to make another voice, go to the other menu and then press the button 7 and then change this. It's gonna change the voice mode. So right now it's mono. So I only can play one voice. So I change it to duo mode. So the second voice is still the straight sound from oscillator 2. You can configure the oscillator 2 as a same parameter as oscillator 1 manually, but there is a shortcut to do it. Just press this same button longer, and then the oscillator synchronized message is shown. So now you can play the same sound from both oscillators.